The Pathfinders Institute for Makey Makey is going to be a really fun 3-day workshop where we blend what we've normally done in person into this dynamic virtual experience for teachers. So you can have absolutely no experience with Makey Makey, and you're going to walk out being able to do really cool and amazing things with your students. So Makey Makey works by pressing a key press and using everyday stuff to control what's going on your computer. So your students will learn how to make things like interactive posters that they can code, and they can actually blend literacy and technology. But it's not always have to be about literacy. Sometimes you just learn how to make fun games and make your own game controller. So you might make something like a slap switch to learn how a circuit connects, but you're also going to use this to control your own games that you code in Scratch. And you're going to end up with so much knowledge about Makey Makey that you're going to be able to make pixel art finger paint at the end, where you're going to be able to touch these brass fasteners and code what's happening on your screen. So Makey Makey is kind of magical in that way because you're able to use so many different items from around your house that you'll be able to see your whole world differently. So that you can see that you can take a pencil and draw on a piece of paper and then use that drawing to control things on your own computer, which is what makes Makey Makey so amazing. It's really an invention kit that allows you to see the world as your construction kit. This course will actually be great for grades 4th through 12th because you can take things like a simple onomatopoeia activity that you code word sounds in Scratch, and then you can actually make students find a way to analyze poetry and use coding to show what they've learned. So you can come into this course with absolutely no knowledge, and you're going to walk out with a full toolbox for going beyond the banana piano.